Mark, I'm at the gate. The roaming is failing, and I'm landing in Tokyo soon. I'll be stranded without GPS or a translator.
Stop, forget the roaming. I just sent you a toolkit. 5 AI apps that don't need a single bar of signal to work.
Wait, AI that works offline. How is that even possible?
Maps, live translation, document scanning everything. You'll have more power offline than most people have with 5G. Check your messages.
Okay, you're a genius. Boarding now. See you on the other side.
Here is your no-signal survival kit, AI tools for the ultimate traveler. What if your phone dies, you've got no signal, you're in a foreign country, and you still have access to AI? No Wi-Fi, no data, no problem. These 5 apps work completely offline, and number 3 has literally saved my life while traveling. Stay to the end because the last one blew my mind. App number 1, Maps.me, trusted by over 140 million travelers worldwide. Download your maps on Wi-Fi once and navigate anywhere, no signal ever needed. Turn-by-turn voice navigation for driving, walking, and cycling. It even shows underground walkways, hiking trails, and cash machines that Google Maps misses. Perfect for travel, dead zones, and saving that roaming bill. App number 2, PocketPal AI. This runs a full AI language model directly on your phone. No cloud, no account, no internet. Ask it anything, brainstorm ideas, draft emails, get answers, all processed locally on your device in seconds. It's incredibly lightweight and works even on older smartphones. Your data never leaves your phone and the privacy is locked. App number 3, Google Translate, but offline. Most people don't know you can download language packs and get real AI translation with zero internet. Speech-to-speech conversation mode, camera text overlay, 59 offline languages. Whether you're in Tokyo, Cairo, or a rural village with no signal, communicate instantly. Download the packs before you travel and thank me later. App number 4, Microsoft Lens. This is an AI-powered document scanner that works completely offline. Point your camera at any document, whiteboard, or receipt. It uses on-device OCR to turn it into editable text instantly. Handwriting to text in 15+ languages, smart cropping, and it exports to Word or PDF. No upload required, no cloud needed. Incredibly powerful. App number 5, and this one blew me away, that's Viska. It transcribes your meetings, lectures, and voice notes completely offline. Using the same Whisperer AI model that powers big cloud services, 90+ languages. On-device AI summaries, zero data sent to any server. Record anywhere, underground, on a plane, in the middle of nowhere, and get accurate transcription every single time. 5 powerful apps, zero internet required, Maps.me for navigation, PocketPal for AI chat, Google Translate for language, Microsoft Lens for scanning, and Viska for transcription. Screenshot this video right now so you never forget these. Drop a comment. Which one are you downloading first? Like this video if I saved you data money, and subscribe to Tech Simplified Pro because this is just the beginning.